से इतना मिला दुलार है, उसके आंचल की छाया से छोटा ये संसार है। हमें ना कभी हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाना है। सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। A very good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Head of Administration, teachers, and dear students. I welcome all to the 74th Independence Day celebration at DIS Riverside Campus. I now request Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Head of Administration to hoist the national flag. I also request everyone to rise in their respective positions for the flag hoisting ceremony, which will be followed by the national anthem.
School, attention! National anthem, begin!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We now have Danny of class 10 to share his thoughts in English with us.
A very good morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, HOA Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India's strife with destiny. We were lucky to be born in an independent and beautiful country, having diverse cultures and terrains. Our country's founding fathers and freedom fighters took an oath to stay awake day and night and to ultimately give their lives for the country so that we can live free and happy. Defense forces serve the nation tirelessly, even in adverse climatic conditions from the scorching desert heat to the freezing mountains of rugged terrain, so that we can sleep without fear. It is our turn to give something back. We too have got the responsibility to dedicate our services and life to the progress of the nation. When soldiers sacrifice their lives for the country, it is the least we can do. Patriotism is not something that we feel only on Independence Day or Republic Day, but it is the pride and joy for our country, in our hearts always. We shall be failing our responsibilities as young citizens of the nation if we do not dedicate ourselves to the service of this nation. Yes, we all have a personal agenda of progressing in our lives, but let us do it without forgetting our responsibility towards the nation.
The world today is looking at this nation.
Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power. However, to march further in this competitive world, a nation requires the power of science and technology to be counted among the best. India is committed to achieving the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and its associated targets, which cover all the dimensions of development and to focus on eliminating poverty in all its forms. It is here that we can contribute. Even if we do not, even if we do our bit to help the nation reach greater heights, believe me, we'll be making great contributions to the nation. Let's take a pledge to do that and take this country to the premier seat in the Committee of Nations. Let us salute today people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Danny. The Independence Day celebration cannot be complete without a patriotic song by our very own music teachers. So let us all instill a feeling of love for our country through this song.
शहीदों के चिताओं पर लगे वतने पर मरने वालों का यही बाकी निशान होगा यही बाकी निशान होगा याद करो कुर्बानी होगी जो याद करो होगी जो चला है कुर्बान चला
Thank you, teachers. Next, we have Anshul of class 9, who will now express her emotions in our mother tongue.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, महोदय संदीप शर्मा जी, समस्त शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे साथी, आज मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी अंशुल कुमारी आपके समक्ष 15 अगस्त के विषय में कुछ कहने के लिए प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। 15 अगस्त 1947 का दिन हमारे देश के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा गया है। स्वतंत्रता की कीमत हमने तब जानी जब हम पराधीन हो गए। हमेशा सोने की चिड़िया कहलाने वाला देश हमारी ही गलतियों के कारण कई 100 वर्ष गुलामी की जंजीरों में जकड़ा रहा। भारत में बहुत कुछ खोया, कला, भाषा, समृद्धि आदि सभी पर असर पड़ा। स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त करने के लिए देशवासियों को भीषण संघर्ष करना पड़ा। सन 1857 में क्रांति की जो ज्वाला भड़की, फिर वह बुझी नहीं। अपना रूप बदलते ही स्वतंत्रता पाने को, यह स्वतंत्रता हमें आसानी से नहीं मिल गई। कितने वीरों ने अपने प्राण गंवा दिए, कितनों ने अत्याचार वह लाठियां गोलियां खाई, कितने लोग जेल में रहे, अपना घर परिवार सुख चैन सब त्याग दिया, तब जाकर हमें ये आजादी मिली। 15 अगस्त आजादी का जश्न मनाने का दिन नहीं, अपितु उन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करने, वह श्रद्धांजलि देने का दिन है जो हमें स्वतंत्रता दिलाने के लिए बलिदान हो गए। उन्हें तो एक दिन भी इस स्वतंत्र भारत में रहने का सौभाग्य नहीं मिला। जिनके बलिदानों ने ये दिन हमें आज दिखलाया, मिली ना उनको एक दिवस की इसकी शीतल छाया। हे भारत के महान सपूत, हे भारत के भाग्य विधाता, इस स्वतंत्रता की पावन बेला पर भारत तुम्हें बुलाता। देश की आजादी को बनाए रखने के लिए हमें पूर्वजों के संघर्ष याद रखने होंगे, क्योंकि किसी चीज को प्राप्त करना अलग बात है तथा उसे संभाल कर रखना अलग बात। अतः हमें कर्तव्य परायण बनकर एक अच्छे नागरिक की भूमिका निभानी होगी। सांप्रदायिकता तथा स्वार्थता को मिटाना होगा। देश प्रेम की भावना जागृत करनी होगी। मातृभूमि को मां की तरह प्यार व सम्मान देना होगा। भरा नहीं जो भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वे हृदय नहीं पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Anshul. I now invite Principal Sir to share his words of wisdom with all of us.
Good morning, dear students, staff members.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Many of you
Good
are
morning,
from
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
sir. Good morning, sir.
We just setting
Good
up everything
morning,
by
sir.
around 8:30. You can see that there are a lot of students who are already
Good
waiting
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
time for the celebration.
Morning, sir.
And that's what
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
okay.
I will.
Good morning, sir.
So today we celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our great nation. On this joyous occasion, I convey my greetings and good wishes to all Indians living in this beautiful country and pray for their health, peace, prosperity, and progress. On this auspicious day, India attained freedom from the colonial rule and people of our country became masters of their destiny. Today, India is looked upon as the most vibrant democracy in the world. The struggle for Indian independence began with the first war in 1857. Although not fully a success, this revolt sowed the seeds for a new force, which was to take the struggle to its rightful end. As British oppression strengthened, so did the urge to attain the freedom from it. This urge found voice in the form of many great leaders such as Subhash Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Ram Prasad Bismil, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, to name a few. These great patriots, along with a lot unnamed freedom fighters, sacrificed their lives for the cause of the nation. This dream of millions of Indians was realized when finally India got freedom on 15th August 1947. Children, you're the future of our country, and you have to carry what we have been given in a better way. You have to grow up as a responsible citizen and contribute your best towards the growth and development of our motherland, India. I would like to conclude with two famous quotes by Mahatma Gandhi. The future depends on what you do today, and be the change that you want to see in the world. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much for such motivating words. I also wish everyone a very happy Independence Day on behalf of the entire DIS Riverside family. Thank you so much for being a part of today's celebration. We acknowledge your presence. Thank you.